Okay, now we're going to take our control screens and place them onto our touch screen. The same process would happen for the control server. So I'm going to go to my main home screen, and I'm going to go to control stream bars, come down here, click on the home screen, and now I'm going to right click and I'm going to export to SimView. I right click just somewhere in the background. And it's asking me, do I want to send it to a Windows PC for SimView for Windows? Do I want to send it to a control server? Obviously, this is grayed out because my control server is disabled at the moment. Or do I want to send it to my touchscreens? And it says I have two available. And in our case, we'll have all of ours available, and we can send it to all of them at the same time. So we hit next. And then it says, hey, in the home screen, you've referenced a bunch of other screens. Do you want those to be tagged with this and sent as well? And they are checked by default, and the answer is yes. So hit next. I do not want to enable panel security where they have to enter a PIN every time they want to change something, because all of our panels in this application are going to be behind a locked door. So we do not need that. And I'll hit next, and I'm going to say typical, because that works just fine. And then I'm going to say export to touchscreens, all touchscreens. Now, if I wanted to only export to one touchscreen or export to another touchscreen, I could do that at this point. Say I had one for room A, one for room B, one for room C, I would just do one at a time. But since I have all of them is my desire, I can hit finish, and it's going to send it across to all of my touchscreens. And I can look physically on my touch screen, which is off camera here, and I can see that it did change. And if I press conference room, it goes to the conference room screen. And then if I press home, it goes back to home, just like if I press it here and press it here.